25th April 2020 is World Malaria Day. This year, it falls at a time when we are in the throes of responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to the lockdown, we are unable to have rallies, meetings, or gatherings. As our state, along with the rest of the country, is moving towards malaria elimination by 2030, World Malaria Day reminds us as a community how we can prevent malaria and achieve elimination. So here are a few important messages that we would like to share with you so that you can listen to them in the comfort and safety of your own homes. The motto of World Malaria Day is, "Zero malaria starts with me." This means that each and every one of us can play our part in eliminating this deadly disease. Malaria is preventable and treatable. Early detection and complete treatment is of the essence. Any fever can be malaria, so get your blood tested immediately by your ASHA or at the nearest health center. Other measures that we can take are: do not allow water to stagnate, cover all water storage containers, cover all water collection sites like puddles with soil or sand, store used tires, broken cups, or other used household items in a dry location away from rain. Introduce larvivorous fishes like gambusia or guppy fish in water tanks and other water bodies. Prevent mosquito bites by wearing full-sleeved clothing and use mosquito repellents like Odomas. Allow indoor residual spray in your homes. And always use bed nets while sleeping, especially pregnant women and children. Before I end, I also take this opportunity to remind each one of us that in this present time, when we are fighting against COVID-19, please abide by all advisories and guidelines that have been shared with you by the Department of Health and Family Welfare. Stay home, stay safe. Together, we can overcome this.